And joining me today via Skype is Oliver Slope from Blue Line Futures. Oliver comes with us a lot. Oliver, that was a mouthful. What have you been talking to your customers about today? What do you find as anything that might stick out at you, or how are you kind of holding their hands through tomorrow and then a week from tomorrow?
Well, yesterday we were talking with clients to be patient with your hedges, mostly for producers, and waiting for that capitulation and the peak panic flush out. We didn't really get that. We tripped some stops overnight. Then we had decent export sales this morning, as well as a flash export sale, which kind of changed our mindset a little bit here into the back half of the week. We know that corn was trading as much as 40 cents off the highs from earlier in the week in the overnight trade. And we got the good exports, and I think that was reason to see a little bit of relief rally here. And we think that we could get some additional relief, but we really want to see consecutive closes or a conviction close back above 530 to 533 in that December corn contract. If we can do that, I think you probably start to spark a little bit more short covering from sellers in the first half of the week.
Yeah, I mean, it'll be interesting. It seems to me that the trades viewed what the USDA had to say about maybe coming and taking a look at acres again, like, oh, they're going to be bigger right away, and I think that added to the sell-off. What do you think? I mean, what does your research say, or what are your thoughts? I mean, nobody knows what the real number is going to be, but what is your inkling about what they might do with those acres, and why would they say that now?
I would assume that they're going to increase acres. They generally don't touch the acres in this September report. They do that in October. That the fact that they're hinting that they're going to do it this month indicates that they're probably going to ratchet them higher. The expectations earlier in the year were for a lot more acres than what they showed. So it shouldn't be that much of a surprise. But from a trader's mindset, you want to see a bearish headline confirm the price action of the previous day. So we got the bearish headline. The news, I think, has been priced into the market for the most part over the last couple of days. And that's when you get the relief, is when that headline hits.
Right, because sometimes you'll be in the pit, Oliver. Everybody that wanted to sell it has already sold it. You get that bearish number and it doesn't go down anymore, and that's when you get the reverse rally that you're talking about. Okay, we're going to go away. We'll be right back after these messages. We'll come back with Oliver Slope to talk livestock in a few.